Stablecoin in 5 minutes. Crash course. In our last video, we talked about cryptocurrency, how Bitcoin started the revolution back in 2009 by introducing a new kind of money that didn't need banks or governments, decentralization. But there was one big problem: crypto prices swing like crazy. You could buy a burger with Bitcoin one day and realize it cost you $60 tomorrow. To fix that, developers came up with the idea of stablecoins, digital currencies designed to stay stable in value. The first major stablecoin, Tether, USDT, appeared around 2014. It promised that every token was backed by $1 held in reserve. Since then, others like USD Coin, USDC, and Binance USD, BUSD, have become some of the most traded digital assets in the world. Crypto is awesome, but the volatility is a problem. In this video, I'm giving you the definitive beginner breakdown that will let you understand the basics of stablecoins like a Web3 pro. I'm going to walk through 3 specific things. First, I'll show you the 3 main types of stablecoins and which one you should avoid completely if you're a beginner. It's not the one you think. Second, we'll cover the most powerful use case, yield, how to earn returns on your digital dollars without the huge risk of normal crypto trading. This is where the big money is being made right now. And finally, the biggest misconception about stablecoins and government regulation and how it's actually a good thing for the future of your wallet. Let's get into the only Web3 asset that stays rock solid while everything else is dropping. All right, let's start with the basics. How does a $1 digital coin actually stay at $1? The first type is the most common, the one you're probably already using: fiat-backed stablecoins like USDC or USDT. Think of it like this. For every one token they issue, the company holds one real US dollar in a bank account or super safe short-term US Treasury bills. This is why they're the backbone of all crypto trading. They are centralized, meaning you have to trust the issuer, but that centralization is also what makes them ultra-stable and very regulated. The second type is the decentralized path. Instead of holding dollars, they hold other crypto like Ethereum or Solana as collateral. But here's the trick: they are over-collateralized. They might lock up $1.50 worth of crypto to issue only $1 worth of the stablecoin. Why over-collateralize? Because if Ethereum drops 20% in an hour, they still have enough backing to keep the dollar peg. They are more complex, but they get you that sweet, sweet decentralization. And here's the third type, the one you should avoid completely as a beginner, and that's the algorithmic stablecoin. They use complex computer code and a second token to maintain the peg. They have no real dollar or crypto collateral. When the market panics, the algorithm fails. If you research the implosion of Terra Luna, that was an algorithmic stablecoin. This is cutting edge, but until the technology matures, stick to fiat or crypto-backed. But remember, it's not all perfect. Some stablecoins have faced questions about whether they really hold enough reserves. Governments are also figuring out how to regulate them, because stablecoins sit right between banks and blockchain. Before using one, it's smart to know who's behind it and how it maintains its stability. All right, folks, that's the world of stablecoins, the type of digital money that stays steady in a fast-moving crypto universe, explained in less than 5 minutes. We've talked about Web3 and crypto before, so you can check out our past videos on those. If you enjoy quick, insightful videos that simplify Web3 in under 5 minutes, hit subscribe and join me on this journey to understand the future of money, one video at a time.